Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Bridge, Index, Annotations, and Keywords, I'm going to show you how you can use these tools inside of every transcript that you connect to. When you're on the Bridge site, you'll need to have a job open before you can access the Tools section, which is where the index, annotation, and keyword options reside. So for this example, I'm going to choose New Doc and then Demo Document in order to demonstrate these features. Once the demo feed is running, then I can begin accessing annotations, the index, and choosing keywords. If I click on Tools, the index, annotation, and keyword options become available. First is Index. This is simply a word index. This shows you all of the words that have been said in the document so far. And if you click on a word, it shows you the page and line number that it occurs and each instance that it occurs if there's more than one. And so here, if I select Bridge, I can click on page 1, line 24 to jump to that location, or page 2, line 1 to jump to that location. Every word that is in the document will be represented in the index, and you can select a word to see all of the different instances of that word and click on any of the instances to jump to that location. Here, if I select Manage, we see that there are 3 instances of the word manage, and I can click on each of them to jump to them in turn. Within the index, you also have the option of making different words keywords. Right now, if I select keywords, it says that no keywords are found because I have not selected any keywords. When I return to the Index tab, I can click on the keyword. I can click on the star icon next to a word to mark that word as a keyword. And I can do that for as many words, names, or other entries that I'd like to, and those keywords will now be listed under the Keyword tab. And the Keyword tab works the same way as the Index tab. All of the different instances of each of my keywords will be listed, and I can click to jump to each of them. However, the Keyword tab will show me only those words that I've asked the index to pay special attention to. If I want to remove a keyword, all I have to do is hit the trash can to the right of it, and that keyword will be removed from my keyword list. But of course, it will still appear in the index itself. And you can add as many keywords as you'd like by simply hitting the star icon to the right of every keyword that you'd like to keep special track of. And each of those keywords will be listed in the Keyword tab. Annotations are a different type of tracking methodology. Right now, if I go to the Annotations tab, I don't have any annotations because I have not yet added any. There are 2 ways that I can add annotations. First, I can simply double-click or double-tap directly to the right of the page and line number. This will bring up the annotation box. I can type the desired text to notate this location in the document, and I can assign a color to this annotation. There are a total of 16 colors to choose from, and you can select any of these colors. And once your annotation has been marked in the document, it will be listed in the annotation list. You can also highlight text, assign a color, and if desired, leave the annotation text box blank. And that annotation will still be listed in your annotations window. And if desired, you can later come in and add any additional notes or whatever you'd like to that annotation by using this edit button. And you can add text or remove it. Additionally, you can use the edit button to change the color of an annotation assignment if you need to. This way you can color code your annotations. And if you ever make a mistake, it's easy to simply correct. And so again, to add an annotation, you can double-click to the right of the page and line number, add your desired annotation text, select one of 16 colors, and that annotation is listed in the annotation list. And you can click on any annotation to jump to that location in the document. In addition to simply double-clicking to the right of the page and line number, you can also mark any text that you'd like to annotate. Select any of the 16 available colors, And that annotation is now in your list. And you can freely switch between index, annotations, and keywords to make sure that all of the information that's most important to you is available at your fingertips. And just like keywords can be removed by hitting the trash can icon, so too can annotations be removed by simply hitting the trash can icon to the right of the annotation. It will confirm that you'd like to delete the annotation, and you can hit yes to remove it. You're free to use as many annotations and keywords as you'd like during your Bridge experience. Annotations, keywords, and the index are specific to each document that you connect to. And as long as you have save and download access for this document, then those annotations will always be available when you open the document in Bridge in the future. Advantage Software offers anytime support. You, as a user of Bridge, and your real-time provider are entitled to contact our anytime support team 24 hours per day, 7 days per week at 772-288-3266. You can also email us for help at support@eclipsecat.com. But if you have feedback specifically related to the Bridge product, please direct that feedback to qa@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.